Please read the instructions carefully before use. One serving kit includes a test, an alcohol pad, a dropper, a needle, and a diluent. 1. Allow the test device and specimens to equilibrate to temperature 15 to 30 degrees Celsius or 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit prior to testing. 2. Remove the test cassette from the sealed pouch. Massage the finger end to encourage blood flow. Disinfect with alcohol pad. Use a sampling needle included to pierce the skin at the tip of the finger. Use a dropper to collect the blood from the finger end. 3. Hold the dropper vertically and transfer 1 drop of blood to the specimen well of the test device. Then add 2 drops of diluent and start the timer. 4. Wait for colored lines to appear. Interpret the test results within 15 minutes. Do not read results after 20 minutes. Positive. Control line and at least 1 test line appear on the memory. The appearance of IgG test line indicates the presence of novel coronavirus-specific IgG antibodies. The appearance of IgM test line indicates the presence of novel coronavirus-specific IgM antibodies. And if both IgG and IgM line appear, it indicates that presence of both novel coronavirus-specific IgG and IgM antibodies. Negative. 1 colored line appears in the control region, C. No apparent colored line appears in the test line region. Invalid. Control line fails to appear.